Imagine the disappointment of receiving a rejection letter from the job you've been dreaming of, or hearing the words, "Let's just be friends," from your crush. It's like a punch in the gut, isn't it? But here's a secret. Some of the most successful people in history faced rejection repeatedly before achieving greatness. J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter was turned down by multiple publishers, and Steven Spielberg was rejected from film school 3 times. Yet they didn't let rejection define them. Instead, they used it as a stepping stone to greatness. But rejection isn't just about famous names. It's about all of us. Today, we'll explore how to turn those heart-wrenching no's into powerful yeses that can change our lives. Lesson 1. Turning indifference into empowerment. When faced with rejection or indifference, it's an opportunity to practice stoic philosophy. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control and let go of what we can't. Your reaction to rejection defines your path, not the silence of others. Instead of dwelling on negativity, focus on personal growth and self-improvement. Engage in activities that enrich your mind and soul, and share your experiences with others. By focusing on personal development, you rise above negativity and find strength in shared experiences. Lesson 2. Mastering emotions in the face of rejection. While rejection stings, Stoicism teaches us not to let external events dictate our internal peace. Pause and introspect when faced with rejection. Understand why it bothers you and use it as an opportunity to grow. Reframe your perspective and respond thoughtfully instead of impulsively. By staying calm and composed, you set an example of resilience for others. Lesson 3. The art of detachment. Accept rejection as a natural part of life and see it as an opportunity for personal growth. Explore new interests and expand your social circle. By engaging in new experiences, you distract yourself from the sting of rejection and enrich your life with diverse perspectives and friendships. Lesson 4. Resilience through actions. Focus on actions rather than words or external validation. Identify your strengths and set tangible goals aligned with your skills. Consistently work towards these goals and let your achievements speak for themselves. By focusing on personal excellence, you prove your worth to yourself, not others. Lesson 5. The power of silence. Embrace silence as a tool for introspection and personal growth. Use quiet moments to reflect on your values, goals, and emotions. By developing inner strength and resilience, you navigate challenges with composure and clarity. Lesson 6. Using rejection as a motivator. Counter. Rejection with activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Connect with friends, try new experiences, and laugh more. By focusing on the positives and finding contentment within yourself, you turn rejection into an opportunity for personal growth and happiness. Lesson 7. Building social presence. Expand your network by engaging in activities that align with your interests and goals. Seek mentorship and be open to sharing your knowledge and experiences with others. By fostering meaningful connections, you create a support system that uplifts and inspires you. Lesson 8. Composure in social settings. Maintain your dignity and professionalism in the face of being ignored or undervalued. Communicate clearly and concisely, and focus on your work regardless of external recognition. By embodying stoic calmness, you rise above the need for validation from others. Lesson 9. Silent strength in emotional control. Use moments of silence for self-awareness, emotional clarity, and mindful decision-making. Reflect on your values, process your emotions, and make choices aligned with your goals. By cultivating inner peace and resilience, you navigate life's challenges with grace and wisdom. Lesson 10. Professional approach. Adopt a professional mindset focused on self-assurance and integrity. Embrace stoic principles in your professional interactions and use instances of being ignored as opportunities for growth and reflection. By upholding your standards and boundaries, you command respect and recognition in your field. In conclusion, rejection doesn't have to be a roadblock. It can be a stepping stone to greatness. By embracing stoic philosophy and applying these lessons, you can transform rejection into triumph. Remember, the obstacle in the path becomes the path. Stay stoic, stay resilient, and embrace the journey ahead.